everyone, it's Amber here from The Stellar Guitarist, and in today's short, sweet and simple guitar lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Jingle Bells. If you're wanting to get into the festive spirit and impress all your friends and family this holiday season with your amazing guitar skills, then this is the tutorial for you. So go grab your guitar and let's get into the lesson. So for the chords of the song, we will only be needing 3 open chords for this very beginner-friendly version of Jingle Bells. So the chords we will need for the song are C major, which we strum from the 5th string down, F major 7, which we strum from the 4th string down, and G major, which we strum from the 6th string down. Now, to get into the strumming pattern of the song, Jingle Bells can very easily be played by just using down strums. So let's practice those chord changes from C to F major 7 to G, 4 down strums, just to get used to those chord changes. So starting on C, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, F major 7, and to G. Back to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, to F major 7, good job, and to G, and back to C. Right, let's do a playthrough of half of the song using those down strums, and make sure that you're only changing to a new chord when there is a chord hovering over a new word. So starting on C major, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Well done. If you found that really easy, then you might want to spice the song up just a little bit. And the way we can do that is by adding a strumming pattern using down and up strums. So the pattern that I'm going to be showing you today sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So when using the strumming pattern, the same principle applies. Use that pattern until you see a new chord hovering above a new word, and then you'll transition to that chord and continue with the strumming pattern. Right guys, that is all you need to know in order to play Jingle Bells. So all there is left to do now is a final playthrough of the entire song. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial of Jingle Bells. Please let me know in the comment section down below if there are any other Christmas songs you'd like me to teach. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to hit that notifications button. That way you'll never miss any lessons that are released in the future. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas season, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!